What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to magnify in Capcut, or in other words, how to zoom in and zoom out in Capcut PC. Also, if you want to open a new Capcut account and support the channel in the same time, you can do that by using my affiliate link in the description. By doing so, if you ever decide to upgrade to a Pro Capcut version, I will get a small kickback, which really helps the channel out. So let's get started. First off, take your video and drag it to the timeline. Now I want to adjust this to look a bit better. So let's say something like this. Then once you made your adjustments, mark this video so it has this white outline, and then press Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl V to paste it. So now you have two videos, one on top of the other. From here, select the top video and then go to Mask right here. On the Mask tab, select a rectangle and select your desired area for the mask. So I will select this one, just like this. So now, once you have your area selected, go over back to the timeline and drag the slider to the position on which you want the zoom effect to start. Now go to Basics right here and select the Scale option right here and the Position option right here. So what you're doing now is creating a new keyframe, which means a starter position for the animation. So now you selected the starter position, and now you need to select the end position by also dragging this to the position on which you want the animation to end. Now, once you figured out that position, go back to Scale and select this keyframe and select the position right here. Then, to create a magnifying effect, move this scale slider to the right side. So let's say something like this. Then go to this screen section and drag it to the right position. Something like this. Then you can test out this part if you want. So go here and press space. So as you can see, it's quite a bit slower than expected. So to speed this up, you will again select the first layer and then just close the gap between these keyframes. So something like this, and now it's alright. So once you have your first two keyframes, now you need to add the last two. So just slide here and select the part on which you want the zoom out effect to begin. So let's say here. Then again select a keyframe, so Scale and Position. Then go to the first keyframe, so just click on it until it turns blue, then copy it by pressing Ctrl C and paste it to the end position of the animation. So let's say here. Now if I play this, you can see that it retracted to its original position. But we're not finished yet. So again, mark the first video by clicking on it, then go to the first keyframe and click on this little marker option right here. So you will just add markers on each keyframe, just like this. And now, once you have all your markers here, we will reduce the opacity of the bottom layer to make this animation stand out a bit. So once you edit your markers, select the bottom layer again and go to the first marker. Go to Blend option right here. Select this keyframe icon right here next to the opacity. Then drag it to the second marker. Select the opacity option again, but we will reduce the opacity to around 30%. Now move it to the third marker. Select the opacity option again. And the fourth one. Select the opacity option again and bring back the opacity to 100%. So let's see what happens now. As you can see, the whole thing looks much better. Also, additionally, you can go here and add a sound effect for the subscribe option. And you can continue to play around with it until you get something that you're happy with. So that's how you magnify in and out using keyframes in Capcut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.